Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laminate floor cleaners that are available on the market. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium solution, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Stardrops Pink Stuff Miracle All-Purpose Floor Cleaner. This product offers a powerful cleaning solution that's safe for a variety of sealed surfaces, including laminate floors, hardwood, vinyl, and tile. The pack includes 2 generously sized 67.6 fluid ounce bottles, making it ideal for larger homes or high-traffic areas. Its streak-free formula ensures your floors look spotless and polished, while its fresh scent keeps your space smelling clean and inviting. Design-wise, this product is straightforward. It's a liquid cleaner that you can easily dilute for everyday use, and the large bottles provide excellent value for money. The vegan-friendly formula is a nice touch for eco-conscious users. Performance-wise, it excels in removing dirt, grime, and stains, though it may require a bit more effort on stubborn spots compared to heavier-duty cleaners. The pros include its residue-free shine, pleasant scent, and versatility across multiple floor types. However, it lacks the convenience and advanced features of spray mops or microfiber pads. Overall, this is a solid choice for budget-conscious households looking for a reliable, no-frills cleaner. At number 4, we have the MEXERRIS Spray Mop with 5 washable microfiber pads. This product stands out for its versatility and ergonomic design, offering a convenient solution for cleaning laminate floors and other hard surfaces. It comes with 2 refillable bottles, allowing you to switch between cleaning solutions effortlessly. The 360-degree swivel mop head is perfect for navigating tight corners and cleaning under furniture. While the additional scraper tool helps with tougher stains, the build quality is impressive, featuring a stainless steel handle and durable microfiber pads that can be machine washed for reuse. The anti-leakage bottles are a thoughtful touch, ensuring no mess during use. Performance-wise, the MEXERRIS mop delivers streak-free results with minimal effort and even works well for quick spills, making it ideal for busy households or pet owners. On the downside, assembly requires a bit of patience, and the mop doesn't come with pre-packaged cleaning solutions, so you'll need to buy those separately. Nevertheless, its reusable pads and overall functionality provide excellent value for eco-conscious users who want a multi-purpose cleaning tool. Coming in at number 3 is the Zep Hardwood and Laminate Floor Cleaner. This professional strength solution is designed to clean and restore the shine of hardwood and laminate floors without leaving any sticky residue. It's fast drying and requires no rinsing, making it a convenient option for quick cleanups. The pack includes 4 massive 128 fluid ounce bottles, making it perfect for users who need a long-lasting supply. This cleaner excels in performance, effectively removing dirt and grime while enhancing your floor's natural luster. The fresh scent adds a pleasant touch, ensuring your space feels clean and refreshed after every use. The liquid formula is easy to apply with a mop, though it doesn't come with additional accessories like microfiber pads. The main drawback is its lack of versatility for other surfaces. While it's great for laminate and hardwood, it's not recommended for stone or tile floors. However, for homeowners with extensive wood flooring, this product offers excellent value and reliable results. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Method Squirt Mop Hardwood Floor Cleaner. At just $5.68, this budget-friendly option is perfect for those seeking an affordable yet effective solution for cleaning laminate and hardwood floors. Its one-step formula eliminates the need for rinsing, saving you time and hassle during cleaning sessions. The ergonomic nozzle spray ensures even coverage, while the almond scent adds a delightful aroma to your home. The design is simple but functional, with a bottle made from 100% recycled plastic, further highlighting the brand's commitment to sustainability. The plant-based formula is cruelty-free and biodegradable, making it a great option for eco-conscious users. In terms of performance, it offers a streak-free shine and is easy to use, though it may struggle with heavy-duty messes. While it's not the most powerful cleaner on this list, the Method Squirt Mop is unbeatable for its price. It's an excellent choice for small spaces or light cleaning tasks, and its pleasant fragrance is a standout feature. However, it's not ideal for large-scale cleaning or heavily soiled floors. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Bona Multi-Surface Floor Premium Spray Mop. This all-in-one cleaning system is designed for hard surfaces, including laminate, stone, vinyl, and tile floors. The package includes a durable spray mop, a refillable cartridge, a microfiber cleaning pad, and a hard surface floor cleaner concentrate. The extra-large mop head cleans 40% faster than competitors, and the microfiber pad is washable up to 500 times, offering outstanding durability and value. The design is sleek and ergonomic, featuring a telescoping handle with flexible rubber corners and a locking strip for easy attachment and removal of the microfiber pad. The spray mechanism dispenses the perfect amount of cleaning solution, ensuring streak-free results with no wasted product. Performance-wise, the Bona Mop delivers professional-grade cleaning, effortlessly removing dirt, stains, and grime while leaving floors looking pristine. While it's the most expensive product on our list at $41.97, the Bona Spray Mop is well worth the investment for those who value convenience and efficiency. Its premium build quality, reusable components, and exceptional performance make it ideal for homeowners with larger spaces or multiple floor types. The only downside is the assembly requirement, but once set up, it's straightforward and easy to use. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right laminate floor cleaner for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more expert product reviews. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.